हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल नाइपरियन एक्सप्लेन। तो लास्ट वीडियो में हमने कॉमन क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर इन इंटरव्यू डिस्कस किए थे और इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर रिलेटेड टू फार्माकोविजिलेंस जो हमें इंटरव्यू के टाइम पूछे जा सकते हैं। तो अगर आपने फर्स्ट वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी है, आप वहाँ से फर्स्ट वीडियो भी देख सकते हो। तो चलिए कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। आप क्वेश्चंस नोट कर सकते हो या फिर स्क्रीनशॉट भी लेके रख सकते हो। The first question is, what is pharmacovigilance? Answer is, pharmacovigilance has been defined by the WHO as the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects or any other drug related problems. Second question is, why do we need pharmacovigilance? Answer, quantify and recognize risk factor, adverse drug reactions, unexpected adverse reaction, drug-drug interactions, long-term efficiency. Sometimes they may ask you abbreviations like ADE, adverse drug event, ADR, adverse drug reaction, SAE, serious adverse event, CIOMS, Council for International Organizations of Medical Science, SUSAR, suspected unexpected serious adverse reaction, SSAR, suspected serious adverse reaction, PSUR, periodic safety update report, ICH, the International Conference on Harmonization. What is an adverse drug reaction? Answer is, an adverse drug reaction is an unintended and nauseous effect that is attributed to a medicine when it has been given within the normal range of doses. What is an adverse event? An adverse event is a undesirable occurrence that occurs in the context of drug treatment but which may or may not be causally related to a medicine. What is the minimum criteria required for a valid case? Answer is, an identifiable reporter, an identifiable patient, a suspect product, and an adverse drug event. When do you consider an event to be serious? If an event is associated with one of the following reasons, like death, life threatening, hospitalization, or prolongation of hospitalization, congenital anomaly, disability, or medically significant. Name the regulatory bodies. Sometimes they may ask you full form of regulatory bodies like CDSCO, Central Drugs Standard Control Organization of India, US FDA, United States Food and Drug Administration, MHRA, Medicines and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency of UK, EMEA, European Medicine Agency, MHLW, Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare of Japan, HC, Health Canada. What do you mean by ICSR? ICSR is Individual Case Safety Report, and the data elements of ICSR are patient demographics, suspect product detail, and adverse event details. What is Volume 9A? Volume 9A brings together general guidance on the requirement, procedure, roles, and activities in the field of pharmacovigilance for both marketing authorizations holder and competent authorities of medicinal product for human use. It incorporates international agreement reached within the framework of the ICH. Four parts of Volume 9A are: Part 1, Guidelines for Marketing Authorizations Holder; Part 2, Guidelines for Competent Authorities and the Agency; Part 3, Guidelines for the Electronic Exchange of Pharmacovigilance in the EU; Part 4, Guidelines on Pharmacovigilance Communication. What do you mean by MEDRA? MEDRA is a medical dictionary for regulatory activities. Next question is, tell me the hierarchy in MEDRA. The hierarchy is system organ class, high level group term, high level term, preferred term, and lower level term. What are clinical trials? A clinical trial is a comparison test of medication or other medical treatment versus a placebo, other medication or devices, or the standard medical treatment for a patient condition. Another definition is, clinical trial is an investigation in human intended to discover or verify the effects of drug or to identify any adverse reaction to that investigational drug with the objective of ascertaining its safety and efficacy. Define single and double blinded study. Single blinded study is a clinical trial where the participant does not know the identity of the treatment received, and the double blinded study is a clinical trial in which neither the patient nor the treating investigator know the identity of the treatment being administered. What are the types of clinical trials? The clinical trials are randomized, non-randomized, single center, multiple centers, and phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 trials. Can you tell me about the job opportunities after completing this course? Means the pharmacovigilance course. The job opportunities are pharmaceutical and biotech companies, clinical research organizations, regulatory agencies like DCG and CDSCO, pharmacovigilance units in medical colleges and hospitals. What are the basic principles of pharmacovigilance? The basic principles are continuous monitoring of the safety of medicine throughout the duration of its use and identification and quantification of adverse drug reactions. What is SUSAR? Answer is a serious adverse reaction in which the nature or severity is not consistent with domestic labeling or market authorization or expected from characteristics of the drug. What do you mean by serious adverse event or reaction? A serious adverse event or reaction is any untoward medical occurrence that at any dose results in death, required inpatient hospitalization, or prolongation of existing hospitalization, result in persistent or significant disability or life threatening. What is a signal? Answer is any alert from any available data source that a drug may be associated with a previously unrecognized hazard is quantitatively or qualitatively different from existing expectations. What do you mean by causality? Causality in pharmacovigilance is relationship between the suspect product and the adverse drug event. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस ऑफ फार्माकोविजिलेंस जो हमें इंटरव्यू में पूछे जा सकते हैं। तो अगर आप फार्माकोविजिलेंस में इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हैं तो आपको ये क्वेश्चंस अच्छे से करके जाना है क्योंकि ये बेसिक क्वेश्चंस फ्रिक्वेंटली पूछे जाते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। फॉर मोर informative videos, do like, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.